Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook orange roughy in the oven. First, let's get started with the basics. You'll want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If your orange roughy fillets are frozen, make sure to thaw them completely. Then, gently pat each fillet dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a nice texture. Finally, prepare your baking dish by lightly greasing it or lining it with parchment paper. Now, let's talk about seasoning to bring out the best in your orange roughy. Drizzle about 1 to 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil over each fillet. Next, season them generously with a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. For a bright, fresh taste, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. You can also sprinkle on some fresh herbs like dill or parsley for an extra layer of delicious flavor. It's time to get those fillets into the oven. Carefully place your seasoned orange roughy in the prepared baking dish. Bake them for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. The exact time will depend on the thickness of your fillets. You'll know the fish is perfectly cooked when it easily flakes apart with a fork. Remember, it's important to avoid overcooking to ensure your orange roughy remains wonderfully moist and tender. Your delicious oven-baked orange roughy is ready. To serve, you can garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley or a bright lemon wedge for a pop of color and extra zest. This fish pairs beautifully with a variety of side dishes. Consider serving it alongside some roasted vegetables, fluffy rice, or a crisp, light salad. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, flavorful orange roughy right away for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.